Here's a square 10 by 10, 10 by 10. Okay, this is 10. Now, this is center, this is radius. We draw a quarter circle. And then this is center. This is radius. We draw half semicircle. And we're looking for this area. Okay, let me use a color. We are looking for the area of this region. Okay, good. First, we have to find the intersecting point. This one is okay, 0, 0. This one we don't know. Now, how do we find this point? Say this coordinates, this is y, right? This is y, this is x. So this length is x minus 5, right? This is y, this is y, this is 5. So we have x minus 5 square plus y square is equal to 25 from this triangle, right? From this triangle. And also from this triangle, this is 10 minus y. This is x. So this, well, this one is 10. So we have 10 minus y square plus x square is equal to 100 from this triangle, right? So from these two equations, we can find x equal to 8, y equal to 4. Okay, so this point is 8 and 4. Good, very nice. Now, if we draw this line, this is 10. This is a 5. This is a 10. This is a 5. Therefore, there's these two triangles congruent, right? Because this is common side. 3 sides are equals. Therefore, this triangle is congruent to this triangle. Therefore, this must be right angle, because this is right angle. If this is right angle, this means this one's perpendicular to this line. This is radius. This is tangent line. Therefore, well, nothing there. This is tangent line. It's a right angle. Okay, good. Then we can find this area. I use different color. This area. This area is equal to this area. I use this color. Is equal to these two triangles, the area of these two triangles, which is this angle, this triangle area is 25. 10 times 5, right? Half. And therefore, this area is 50. Take away this sector, circular sector. Circular sector is 1/2 angle. What is this angle? Well, this angle equal to this angle, right? Yeah. This angle is the arcsine 4/5. So this is also arcsine. This is arcsine 4/5. Hmm? This angle, okay. Now, from this triangle, we also can get the same result. This angle is equal to arcsine this over that, right? This one is 8. Now, this is 8. X is 8. 8/10 is also. So when we did this is arcsine 4/5 times the radius is square is 100, right? The radius is 100, yeah. The area of a sector is half angle times radius square. Okay, so we can simplify. This one is equal to 50 minus 50 arcsine 4/5. Good. That is this area. Now also we have this area. This area. This area is simply, okay, this is A1, A2. This sector is a half. This angle is a arcsine 4/5, right? We have done several times. Times the square is a 5 square, right? The radius is square. So this one is equal to 25, yeah, over 2 times arcsine 25. Good. Now, the area we are looking for is a area of a semicircle minus these two. Right? So the area we're looking for, which is the red color, is 1/2 of the circle radius of pi, right? Pi r square. That is the area of the semicircle minus these two, minus 50 plus 50 sine inverse 4/5 minus this 25 4/5, right? Yeah. So it end up with 25 pi over 2 minus 50. These combined is equal to plus 75 over 2 arcsine inverse 4/5. That is the very answer for this area. Well, that area. Good. So this is the method done by geometry. Now let me do the second method, which is using the calculus. Okay. Okay. Okay, let me start from beginning. This is the square. Well, it's not easy to draw a nice picture with freehand, but I do my best. This is semicircle. And this is the area we're looking for. If we are using calculus to do it, we must find the equation of these two curves, right? Now, start this with this curve. The center is, if this is coordinate system, this is 0, 0, right? 0, 0. So this one is equal to 0, 10, right? Yeah. This is a 5, 0. So very easy to get curves by using a equation. Actually, for this one is x squared plus 10 minus y square is equal to 100. So this is this curve, this circle rather, the whole circle. And for this circle is x minus 5 square plus y squared, because that is circle. Now, since we are taking this part, therefore this is equal to y is equal to 10 minus, well, from this equation, you have a plus or minus, right? A plus or minus a square root. But since this curve is below y equal to 10, so we take negative. Similarly, for this one is y is equal to 10x minus x squared. So this equation is from this, and the y is positive, above the axis. So in other words, we get these two curves, the equations, and then solving these simultaneous equations, we get x is equal to 10 and 8. And this is 0, this is 8. This is 8. Now then, the area of this shaded region is simply the integral from 0 to 8. This function minus this function, right? So this function, x minus x squared, minus this 10 minus this. Dx. Well, I don't want to discuss details for the integration. They are rather easy to do because they're using wait a minute. Excuse me for the phone call. Okay, now, well, I don't want to discuss this integration because they are rather easy. This is using complete square first, then trigonometric substitution. This one uses trigonometric substitution, and we get this result, 25 over 2 plus 6 plus 25 pi over 4. That is this one. Okay, using complete square, then trigonometry substitution, then you get this one. This one is 10x, right, from 0 to 8 is 80. And this one is simply use trigonometric substitution. Let this one be 10 sine theta, right? It's easy. equal 50 plus 24. Okay, then remaining is that I want to combine these two. Now, this one and this one, the sum is half pi, right? Should I do that one? Yeah. This is a 5. This is a 4 by 5. The other angle is called arc sine 4 by 5. This angle is arc sine 3 over 5. Therefore, these two, the sum is half pi. So this one is equal to half pi minus arc sine 4 over 5. That's 3 over 5, right? Sorry. Plus 6 plus 25 minus 80 plus 50 sine arc 4 over 5 plus 24. Then you simplify together, get 25 pi over 2 minus 50 plus 75 over 2 arc sine 4 over 5. Wow. So eventually we get the same thing. Okay, good. So this one, I think using geometry is a simpler. But the calculus, it's a very good question for the application of integration, finding area. Thank you.